Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Santic BD. In today's video, I will show you how to recover your UAE Pass account step by step. If you forgotten your UAE Pass PIN or can't access your account, don't worry, just follow the simple steps. Step number 1, download and install your UAE Pass, Google Play Store, Android Store or Apple Store. Step number 2, when download and install your UAE Pass, just click open. Step number 2, when open your UAE Pass apps, select your preferred language, English or Arabic. Step number 3, just click continue. Step number 4, just click I have an existing account. Step number 5, now just click I have read the term and condition, just click here, then accept. Step number 6, just type here your Emirates ID number or mobile number or email address. Now click on continue. Number 7, verify your identity using face verification. Just click continue face verification. If verification is successful, just click down continue recovery. Now again click confirm. Step number 8, now create a new 4-digit PIN for your UAE Pass account. And re-enter again your new PIN. Log in and start using your UAE Pass account. Then click done. Friends, if this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back again with new update. Thank you so much.